Somebody just woke up from his afternoon nap. He's in a good mood because he got lots of sleep. You in a good mood, honey? You in a good mood? You in a good mood? Why'd you tell Mama and Dada all about it? Your nap was good. And you got a clean diaper. Yeah? Tell Mama all about it. Hi. 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 Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, see, I love you, Daddy. I really do love you. I miss you. Fly safe. Oh, might be some spit up. Mom better take care of that. Ciao for now, Daddy. Bye-bye.